I'm going to make a video to explain how to using the GitHub and the Visual Studio Code to um, convenience conveniently updating and downloading and clone up your project for C program. So because now we are using the Docker container CentOS, so we need to find a best solution, convenient solution to um, let our working on Visual Studio Code, those source code can um, very smoothly to copy from our host computer to the Docker container CentOS system, operating system. So first of all, according to the new GitHub security strategy, we need to creating the token, the user token. So go the setting on the username and develop settings and the personal accessing tokens. So you you may generate the new tokens, new token for your repository. So um, once you have your repository like this one, I have created for my project. So this now currently I'm working on project 2. So and I'm using like Visual Studio Code. Those code stored on my host computer. But we need this source code can running smoothly on the Docker system. Although I have installed Docker here, but it's not that convenient to using. Um, let's see here, just things like that. Oh, I don't like the way I'm working on the inside of a Docker. So I like to working those documents on my host computer, like here. Those on um, my MacBook computer. So you can see it's on my MacBook. So after we have a repository, we just go this is inside of the Docker Center OS. So first step, um, to clone the repository using your token right here. That's it. Okay, now all the source code have been downloaded from the GitHub and go project 2. I already have completed the project 2, so I can make it. So p d c o u t just for okay. Okay, now I have commuted. So it's very convenient to use, and now if we have just change a little bit, so here, let's see, and so updating and testing. So we want to change the source code from our host computer, the Visual Studio Code. So it's already been changed and pushed to the GitHub. So now next step we need to so we go back a little bit, and now this report already have been updated. So let me show you. So we need to updating the repository on the Docker Center OS. So I think is git pull origin main branch. It's warning, just ignore it. Okay, so it has been updated. So go project 2 and let's make again. Okay, yes. Now okay, I just try to make it wrong. Okay, this is the wrong file name, so the total number of counting is 0. Okay, so now through the GitHub and Visual Studio Code, so we can edit our source code on host compute, and then we push to the GitHub, and then we pull all the new repository, updated new repository to the computer on the operating system CentOS in the Docker container. So that's very convenient. Thanks for watching.